So today I'm doing my video alone because Aaron's at school right now. Go Aaron. Alright, so since Aaron is at school today, I thought I'd make a video. It's not big video or anything, but my brother William, Aaron, and I, we have this friend. His name's Ryan. He lives in California now. He still lives here with us, and he was here for about the whole month of July and a couple weeks in August, and he had to go back. I think it was like 2 weeks ago. Kind of sad. So my brother and I were chasing the van down the road at our lake cottage. Don't get on the car. Ryan!
Come on, have a good trip.
Will,
Get back.
Will, high five. So that was the end of it, and we're gonna miss him, but Christian come back next summer, so yay for that. Alright, well I guess I'm out. Peace out, Girl Scout.